Hey guys, Castor Brass here, and in this video, we drove probably a little bit over an hour to this river. It's out of the way from where we usually fish. We went there back in early spring, and we decided to come back. It's September. It's getting darker earlier. We've been having temperatures in the mid 50s at night. The water temperature's cooling down, and the bass, they're putting their feed bags on. And a lot of times, when it starts going through that cycle, a lot of the smallmouth in rivers, they will move out of the pockets and stuff, and they'll move right in that shallow water. Waters that most people will wade right on by and go to these deeper pockets. And that's where they'll stack up at, like Corewood. There's a lot of bait fish in there right now, and they'll just stack up and they will lay there and they will feed. And that's what happened in this one. After we got done fishing the section that we'd fished, my back started hurting. And I went over, found me a shade tree with a big rock with my feet in the water. And I sat there and I watched Brandon just go ham on some smallmouth in this one. I was late getting to the show. When I got over to him, I caught like two, one good solid smallmouth for the river. But man, he was killing them on an Arkansas Shiner Slug Go with a number 2 thin wire gold hook, which is excellent. Just hook right through the nose and twitch it with no weight like it's a wounded manna. Smallmouth absolutely loves that. Been using those for many, many years. And here it is.
Well guys, got a nice little smallmouth here out of the river on a Slug Go. Just got the Slug Go hooked through the head, working it on top. He came up and got it out of this little pocket. We'll see if we can get some more. Guys, got another one on the Slug Go here. He's a little bit better. Number 2 on the Slug Go, a little bit bigger. Gonna let him go and see if we can get another. Got another one on the Slug Go here. Same hole water, same technique. This one's even better. Maybe same size as the last one. Got him on the Slug Go. They're in this little pocket here, starting to feed up for winter. We'll let him go. He hit it as soon as it hit the water. Came up and got it off top. This one's very aggressive compared to the others. It's about the same size as the others though. Oh no, this one's a little bit bigger. They're clones. It's a nice one there. Number 5 on the Slug Go's same spot. Just sitting here fishing this one little pocket. All the fish are about the same size, but it's fun catching them. I've used my Slug Go so much I had to bite the head of it off because the head it's tore up and move the hook down some. But nice little smallmouth. Well guys, I just missed one right by that same little rock in that pocket. Let's see if I can get him to bite it. Missed him again. I see him flash on it. He's missing it completely. So he hasn't felt the hook yet. Might still have a shot at catching him. Just working it really extremely slow. Well guys, I got a very small one. Not the one that I was trying to get. Oh guys, I got a good one this time. Oh yeah. Nice one. Same technique. Hey! Nice smallmouth. Alright guys, caught a nice one that cast. Gonna put it right back down the same stretch of water. I'm just working it real slow. Just give it a jerk and let it float a little piece. They're killing it. That one wasn't messing around. When he hit it, he was gone. Some of these smaller ones, you gotta, once you feel them, you gotta let them have it for a second. Guys, got number 8. Same hole water, same bait. And a whole lot smaller than the last one. Dad finally came to join. This is number 9 out of this hole water.
And I can't get my GoPro going because I was sitting over with the bitty fella.
See if we can get number 10.
Ain't nothing.
When you're just reeling.
Yeah. Because it's that size. It's a twinsy to the other one. How many does this make?
10.
10. Missed it.
I'll move to the right side of the rock.
Got that one. That's a good one. That is a good one. Oh yeah. What you like? It's taking me where it wants to go. Get out of the weeds, baby. Get out of the weeds. Did you have one?
I had one on here just swimming away with.
Get out of the weeds, baby. Get out of the weeds. Did you have one?
I had one on, it was just swimming away with it. It's a good one.
A better one. Nice one. Arkansas shiner. That's a pretty little river smallmouth now. Let him go. Well guys, we stood in one little pothole of water right here and caught 10 or 11 smallmouth. I was late getting to the show. Brandon done had 8 or 9 caught. But right there on a Slug Go, no weight on it whatsoever, twitching it. He's getting another bite right now. But we stood right here in that one little pocket right there. About 4 foot deep, if that. They're stacking up for the fall. And there's a lot of bait fish swimming around in these little spots like this around these weed beds. And that's where all the smallmouth was laying. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like. We'd appreciate that. And also follow us over on Facebook and Instagram. We will be getting a TikTok started eventually. And all kinds of fun, good stuff, trapping and all that's coming down the line. So, yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you either in the woods or on the water or back at the table. Have a good one.